Okay, we're separated. Okay, so we got an issue with our Allis Chalmers G here. The clutch is not disengaging. We're grinding gears, having issues trying to actually get in a gear. So we're gonna go ahead and split the motor, expose that bell housing, see what's going on with the clutch. Maybe might have to do some more adjusting inside or just even replace the clutch now. Okay, so we've removed the rear lift linkage, disconnected the choke linkage, the starter linkage, the fuel line, the throttle. Also come over here and remove the starter wires. Haven't removed this motor before. We only had the transmission parts, so let's see what we're getting into here. I know there's a couple bolts holding the motor on to the bell housing, so we'll go ahead and take those out and see what happens. So we removed the starter bolts. They went all the way through the bell housing. Another bolt there. This is a plate right in here, so that shouldn't have to get undone. Looks like that drawbar is going to come with it. And then another bolt right there, and another one tucked in right down in here. Oh, it's gonna be hard to see, but right there. So we should be ready to separate this bell housing now. Give it a little pry and see what happens.
The deck is stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes.
Okay, so it turns out that plate does have to be removed in order to get this out. So I'm gonna have to take out those two bolts on this side to allow that flywheel to come out. All right.
I'm rising, and you can bring me down.
Okay, we're separated. I guess the squirrels or mice or whoever has been having a hell of a time in there. Look at all the freaking corn. Okay, so here's the clutch. We've gone ahead and greased up those fingers, lubricated everything. The release bearing there seems to be good. It's not making any sounds. We've gone ahead and tested that. Greased up everything, cleaned up everything, checked all our springs in behind the fingers there. They seem to be good. So we've also gone and set those fingers from that inside there. It's 11/16 to the top of that finger. So we're gonna go ahead and reassemble and see what happens. I'm thinking the corn that was in here, found a couple kernels in behind those springs, so it wasn't allowing them to fully activate. So let's see what happens.
You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now.
Well, we had to adjust those fingers a couple times. Brought them out a little bit more. Not sure. The 11/16 that the manual says just doesn't seem right. Maybe it's the amount of wear on this plate, being an older clutch, I don't know, but we adjusted it out just a little bit past that, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Put her back together and she's disengaging and engaging the way she should be. That'll be a wrap.
Shortcuts here for destiny.